Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, presumptuous and pompous. That's how the Jamaica Labour Party leader, Andrew Holness, has described the opposition People's National Party following his party's historic win in the Portland Eastern by-election. Mr. Holness was speaking at a mass meeting last night to celebrate Anne-Marie Vaz's victory against the PNP's Damian Crawford. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
An electrifying atmosphere here in Port Antonio, Portland, as Jamaica Labour Party supporters continue to celebrate their historic victory. The party has continued well into the night, and the decibel level has been raised to deafening.
The JLP's Anne-Marie Vaz, aka Action Anne, became the first female to win Portland Eastern.
You know how I do this tonight? Action, not a bag of goat.
Snatching it from the 30-year grip by the PNP. Preliminary results show Mrs. Vaz beat Damian Crawford by 306 votes, a massive turnaround from the PNP's 2,276 cushion in the 2016 general elections. JLP leader and Prime Minister Andrew Holness took a swipe at the PNP.
They are presumptuous and pompous to believe that they have the title for this constituency. The title change. The PNP name has been taken off the title for Eastern Portland.
The lesson in context.
And so what has won today is a new politics emerging that MPs must have regard for the people who elect them. And I say to all the constituencies in Jamaica, where this kind of arrogance and disrespect is being meted out to you, don't be afraid to take their names off the title.
Still bragging rights. Having won Southeast St. Mary in 2017, it's the second consecutive by-election win for the governing party, picking up 2 seats, shifting the balance in the House of Representatives to 34-29.
Make sure you don't have no more by-election, because you don't know what is going to happen if there is another one.
It's also a political blow to the opposition PNP. Many argue a loss in Portland Eastern would hurt the party and its leadership.
We are bury Peter Phillips.
And another one gone, and another one gone. Another one bites the dust.
We are bury Damian Crawford.
And another one gone, and another one gone. Another one bites the dust.
We are bury the General Secretary Julian Robinson.
And another one gone, and another one gone. Another one bites the dust.
And last but not least, we are bury a new vice president. When they ever won the seat yet was in charge of this election. No other than Peter Phillips' son, Michael Phillips.
The woman who was instrumental to the proceedings encouraged the constituents to dream big.
When you have a dream and you believe in that dream and you take the step, your dreams will come true. And we are going to travel the road to prosperity in Eastern Portland.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.